Cloud gaming has been growing fast, but most people get this wrong. They assume all cloud gaming services deliver the same experience. Shadow Cloud Gaming is different, offering a full Windows PC in the cloud rather than just streaming individual games, which opens up possibilities, but also has some caveats. Shadow provides a virtual high-performance PC that you can access from your computer, tablet, or even some smartphones. You get full control over the operating system, meaning you can install any game, software, or streaming app you want. This is great if you want flexibility, access to PC-only games, or want to avoid buying expensive hardware. Performance is generally strong if you have a fast internet connection, with low latency and support for high-end graphics. Shadow offers multiple subscription tiers depending on storage and GPU power, so you can choose a plan that fits your gaming needs. The platform also supports peripherals like keyboards, mice, and controllers, making it feel like a real gaming PC. However, there are some limitations. You need a stable, high-speed internet connection. Slower networks can cause lag or streaming artifacts. Monthly subscriptions can get pricey, especially if you choose higher-end hardware tiers. Additionally, setup and troubleshooting can be more complex than simpler cloud gaming platforms like GeForce Now. In conclusion, Shadow Cloud Gaming is ideal for gamers who want a full PC experience without investing in expensive hardware. If you have strong internet and value flexibility, it's a powerful platform. If this review helped you understand Shadow Cloud Gaming, subscribe for more honest gaming platform reviews, tips, and tutorials.